I'm vlogging right now. You want to say hi?
The same?
Yeah. Hi, baby. Say hi.
Say hi. It's for the YouTube.
I'm finally starting to vlog because it's been too chaotic. Time just went by so fast. We had grand entry already, so we're gonna go see if we missed Tiny Tots. Say hi to the camera.
What's up, everyone? It's Ryan. It's your boy, Ron Alvarez, here at WELLPINIT Powwow, Spokane Tribal Day, Tribe of Indians Powwow. You know what I'm saying? Shit. I was looking at some golf equipment. You know me.
Not even paying attention to the powwow. Just kidding.
Come on in here. Welcome, welcome. Oh, yeah.
9:40 and we haven't even started our categories yet. So it's gonna be a late one. And we have this bad baby right here.
As our family's been dealing with this loss for almost 2 years. And this 2 years have been all of our prairie chicken dancers. Oh, showcase your style. The late George Flett, his family, his loved ones, with our grand entry. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, make some noise! Man's Prairie Chicken. Georgia Beta. How we looking? Ready to go, Bad Canyon! The morning call to stop as they give that beautiful energy. Ladies and gentlemen, let's encourage them, make some noise! Scream! If you like what you see, let them hear it, let them hear it! We can't hear you, crowd! We can't hear you! Scream! Let them have it, their Free Confederation. Here we go! Make some thunder, ladies and gentlemen, let them hear it! From the sky to...
It's 11:17 and they're going into another special. They did juniors, now they still need to do teens, seniors, and junior adults. How are you feeling?
We're not judging the grand entry now.
So it is Saturday now, it's noon. All of the adults got excused for grand entry, except for the chicken dancers and the old style fancy dancers, because we have a special. I feel super stiff right now. I feel tired. Oh my god, the powwow didn't end until like 2 a.m. last night. I didn't go to bed till like almost 3. Woke up at 8:30 because of the baby. So I'm just feeling kind of exhausted right now, but oh fuck. That was a massive bug. I have no idea what that is. Ugh, that's scary. I wonder how much caffeine someone can drink in a day without getting a heart attack. Because I'm on my 3rd right now. Honestly, very nervous for the Old Style Special. I danced way better than I thought I did last night, which I'm really happy about because I felt really nervous dancing yesterday. It's been a year since I had my C-section and it's been hard for me to get my body back. It's a challenge within itself, like just having a baby and then going to a powwow and expecting to move the same way that you used to. But after a lot of practice, I feel like I'm really close to getting my legs back, and I'm really happy with the way I danced last night. This is my secret to dancing and wearing makeup, and this is my setting spray. I use my regular setting spray, but I put this on top just because when you're dancing, you're sweating so much, and I have yet to find an actual setting spray that works as well as hairspray. Try this next time you dance powwow. Your makeup will last all night. I'm gonna be dancing any minute now. I just finished getting ready and I just realized my braid tie is broken. I'm missing dentalium shells and I'm just like, ugh, I don't know how that happened.
Song number 1. Take it away. Here we go. First call, Tiny Top.
you till Estinku. One more. Lamb ladies, the rest of you come up and please shake hands and receive a gift.
Are you excited? How are you feeling?
Just so scared.
A little scared? It's okay. Go warm up in Intertribal. Do you want me to come with you?
Stand by, all these chicken dancers.
Yeah?
All
Okay,
these
I'll be
chicken
right back.
dancers.
Ladies and gentlemen, ready to see some chicken dancing? Ah, come on, are you ready? Creed Confederation, your line.
All junior categories, we stand by. All junior categories, stand by.
Come on, WELLPINIT Washington, let's hear you! And shout what you're all about, because we're out ready here to go with our SNL. We do have all of our drum contest drums ready to go. So, singing judges, thank you very much for our drums, and the contest is...
So I actually ended up falling asleep with my kids and I missed SNL, and I was actually pretty sad about it. And I wasn't sad because I missed contest and like collecting some potential points. I was sad because I just missed dancing and I missed just the energy of Saturday night. The powwow did end up going on until 3 in the morning, so I was glad I was able to catch up on some sleep and let Ryan sleep in a little bit. The powwow hangover is real. Like, I wake up every morning with such a bad headache, especially when you have kids. It's hard.
I need something from around this side.
$1,150, $5,050. So, all right, dancers. This is how it's going to work. Spectators, we're going to be calling out our dancer here to the arena, and then we're going to bet on our dancer.
It is 4 o'clock on Sunday. They're just doing the junior girls right now, and yeah, it is so hot outside right now. We're just cooling off in the trailer right now. Give me that! Get over here! Get over here! Get over here! I'm gonna get you!
Oh, let him hear right there for the...
Oh, whoops. I got the flash on. Let me see your burger.
I already ate all of it, you know.